In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an app in Google AI Studio with Android Studio. To get started, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Once the search results appear, click on Google AI Studio to open the official page. When you arrive on the site, look for the Start Building button and select it to enter the workspace where the app creation process begins. From there, choose the option labeled Build an Android app. This will take you into the app builder designed for Android projects. Before generating anything, head into the settings area. This is where you can control the foundation of the app you're about to create, so it's worth taking a moment here to make sure everything matches your goal. Inside settings, choose a model. The model you select will influence how the app is generated, so make sure you pick the one that best fits the type of result you want. After that, confirm that the framework is set to Android. This is important because it ensures the generated project is prepared for Android Studio and follows the correct structure for Android development. Next, move to the prompt field. Here, you can either type your own prompt or paste in a finished prompt if you already prepared one in advance. Be as clear as possible with your instructions, because the prompt helps guide the app generation process. A more specific prompt usually leads to a more usable first draft. Once everything looks good, click Build. Google AI Studio will then begin creating your app. Give it a little time to finish generating the project. After it's done, review the app carefully to see how it turned out. This is the stage where you can make edits, refine the results, and finalize your app before continuing your work in Android Studio. That's the full process for creating an Android app in Google AI Studio, from opening the platform to generating and reviewing your app.